In front of me is Realme Note 60 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner and to add an audio file, hit Files. Now choose audio at the top. Pick one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. And after finding your recording, hold it and choose Select at the top right corner. To add a video file, hit Gallery instead of Files. Tap on your video here. Or select Folders, look for it here, and when you find it, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!